Alright, go.
What's up, YouTube? I'm coming in with a box opening of Lord of Tachyon. Let's get this started.
Use that mouth.
My brother's recording, by the way. The guy with the weird finger.
It's better now, for those of you who care.
They have manga 50% off. I love this place.
Oh,
Alright, well,
I'm not gonna filming.
let's get started.
Alright.
Open to pull Draco set. Main card. Alright, let's get started.
Alright. You want me to keep it focused on your hands, right?
Sure. Alright. First, just a rare.
There we go. Okay.
Mermail Abyss Bagelian. Not the best ultra, but still an ultra.
FET was ultra. It's so crap.
I know. Gear Gear Accelerator for my super. And Phantom Harpy head mirage thingy at my it's rare. Good. And try sort of top set my rare. And these are hard to open. Number 69 in my rare.
I'm going to stop on judgment. That's my prediction.
Nah, I want Draco set. And Rhino as my rare.
So far, a whole lot of nothing.
Right.
You're gonna be mad.
Constellar Sombre as my super rare. A nice super.
That's $10.
Yeah.
So you just need to pull 7 more of those to break off even.
Attitude Knight, my rare.
Yeah.
This is $5, I guess. Draco Sack.
Nope. XYC Revenge as my rare.
That is a bad box.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But if I pull Draco,
Is it? Are you halfway through it?
yeah. And I got Mecha Beast, Mega Raptor as my super rare.
Is that good?
I think I still have 2 more supers and 1 ultra in my ultimate.
Yeah, he's right. And one secret that is going to be a Metal Judgment.
No. Oh, and another.
That's
Evil Storm
25.
That's 25.
Yeah.
So
35.
So far you made 32, 42?
Yeah, like $40 more to go. Batting Boxer as my rare.
Poor Cardinal.
Oh, I will be.
It will not be that bad. Better than no secrets.
That's the most secret build of Prophecy. And Ultra Rank Up Magician Bararian Force.
That's crap.
That is crap.
Oh, this thing doing when I read it.
So is that all your ultras?
Yeah. Fire Formation Gyoko.
You should have Ultimate and Secret.
Yeah, that's it.
Maybe a random super.
Or I can pull a Gopher. Well.
Or you put Elemental Dragon stuff that's worth like $8.
Yeah.
That's the one thing you can make his money back on.
And my ultimate rare is the number 107 Galaxy Tachyon Dragon. The cover card.
Is that the one you wanted?
No.
You wanted the Draco Sack. I want to look like
Oh yeah.
This is gonna be a
stupid
Draco
boat.
Sack.
And I pulled a Ghost Rare 107.
I don't think you can pull a secret now.
No, there should be a secret.
There should be, right? Because ghost rares are just randomly tossed in.
Yeah. And Cardinal is
I
my
called it.
secret rare.
Called it. I called it.
I can pull another secret. It's possible.
That happens.
Nope.
What was that? Nothing?
He made his money back. I just said that.
Yeah.
Yeah, but these are worth what?
This is 20, this is 10, this is 8.
These are only 10 and 8?
This was not anything. No cover cost was anything except for honest.
Huh.
Oh, and a dragon.
That might make big bucks profit.
Yeah.
So the cover card isn't worth anything.
And
Yeah,
a Tempest. At least I pulled 2 Elemental Dragons.
So he makes 16 bucks profit.
Alright, so yeah, you too. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, peace. You know how to press stop, right?